Look on the back. Where's your little min? Huh, Bella?
Here. Yeah.
Yay! Xavier, you got your shirt on backwards.
Oh no. But it's closed. But there's a car.
Look, put him in the Batman machine. In the Batman cave. Oh no, not the car. The car's not going to fit there.
Why?
Because I don't think the truck will fit there.
Where's the door?
He's in the elevator. And he goes this way. Comes up to the top.
Where's the door?
And Bella's... The door's right here.
There.
Right here, look.
Ma.
But he doesn't fit there.